Good morning, all of you. Myself Raju Lal Soni, PGT Biology, St. Joseph Public School, Tom. Welcome again in our YouTube channel. Now we will discuss about the requirements and raw materials of photosynthesis and further mechanism of photosynthesis for class 10th standard of CBSE. First of all, if we recall that 6 CO2 molecules and 12 water molecules in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll will convert into C6H12O6, that is glucose, and 6 molecule of oxygen as byproduct and 6 molecule of water. This is a chemical equation for photosynthesis. Whenever CO2 and water will comes in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll in green plants, they will convert into glucose, another name is starch, another name carbohydrate, and releases a oxygen gas as a byproduct. This complete process is known as photosynthesis. What are the requirements of photosynthesis? There are following requirements for photosynthesis. First, CO2. What is the source of CO2? From air. Second, water from soil. Third, chlorophyll from leaf. And sunlight from sun. These are the requirements which are essential for photosynthesis. Without any one of them, photosynthesis process cannot be proceed. All of are essential and in a fixed proportion. These are the requirements, and both two, CO2 and water, are raw material for photosynthesis. So what are the raw material for photosynthesis? CO2 and water is the raw material for photosynthesis. What are the requirements for photosynthesis? CO2, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. What are the source of requirements for photosynthesis? Air, soil, leaves and sun is the source of requirement for photosynthesis. After it, we will discuss about the mechanism of photosynthesis. For 10th standard, we should have to understand some phenomena. Suppose that there is a leaf. As the leaf, please take a screenshot for better study. It's okay. Now look at, suppose that this is the leaf. This leaf bears xylem and phloem in form of these veins. आपको मैं बता दूं, आपने जाइलम और फ्लोएम का नाम सुना है 9th क्लास में, लेकिन उनको देखा नहीं है. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी द जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम, you have to see these veins. ये वेंस ही जाइलम और फ्लोएम हैं, इन्हें कंबाइंडली वास्कुलर बंडल बोला जाता है। जाइलम में होके वाटर की सप्लाई होती है, इट मीन्स वाटर यहाँ से मिल जाता है। इस लीफ में ग्रीन कलर के डॉट्स होते हैं जो हमें कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप में देखने को मिलते हैं। दीज ग्रीन डॉट्स विच आर सिचुएटेड इन द लीफ are known as chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast there is a molecule that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll formula C55H72 O5N4 Mg is the formula of chlorophyll A. ये मॉलिक्यूल क्लोरोफिल कहलाता है। क्लोरोफिल क्लोरोप्लास्ट में होता है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट लीफ के अंदर होता है। अब ये मैं इसको थोड़ा बिग कर रहा हूँ। सबसे पहले सनलाइट से सन की रेज आती हैं। देखिए सन की रेज में ऐसा क्या होता है, मैं आपको एक लाइन बोलना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली। फोटोसिंथेसिस इज अ एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। What is the mean of endothermic reaction? It means this reaction have need of energy to proceed. Without energy, this reaction will not be proceed. Hence, photosynthesis is a endothermic reaction. And during photosynthesis, oxygen releases. Hence, it is a reduction reaction, not oxidation. Sunlight have packets of energy known as photon. These photon strikes on the surface of the leaf and leaf get hot and chlorophyll molecule that is C55H72O5N4 Mg get excited. This is the first step of photosynthesis. Now I have to mention the heading, that is mechanism of photosynthesis. Now it occurs in following steps according to NCERT 10th class. First, absorption of sunlight, and excitement of chlorophyll. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सनलाइट में जो फोटोन होता है उसको लीफ एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं, उससे जो क्लोरोप्लास्ट है ये ग्रीन कलर का वो एक्साइट हो जाता है। दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप। सेकेंड स्टेप, splitting of water and releasing of oxygen. During photosynthesis, excited chlorophyll perform a process by which in one time two water molecules get splits and gives 4 hydrogen atoms in form of proton, that is 4H plus. Due to plus 4 electron it releases, and as a main product it releases 1 molecule of oxygen. I want to say here that 2 molecules gives 1 molecule of oxygen. Hence 12 molecule of water gives 6 molecule of oxygen. Therefore in a photosynthesis chemical equation 12 molecule of water are required to produce 6 molecule of oxygen. तो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ बच्चों 6 मॉलिक्यूल ऑक्सीजन बनाने के लिए हमें 12 मॉलिक्यूल्स की रिक्वायर्ड होती हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि 2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एक ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूल रिलीज कर सकते हैं। हैंस 12 मॉलिक्यूल कैन रिलीज द 6 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज द सेकंड स्टेप ऑफ photosynthesis. Now third step, reduction of CO2 and formation of CO2 and formation of carbohydrate. Please take a screenshot. Thank you. Now, in third step, what happens we will discuss in very short according to 10th standard. In photosynthesis, first and second steps gives oxygen and absorbs energy, due to which some molecules of ATP are prepared. What is ATP? ATP is the energy. And CO2 now converts into glucose. This is a very complicated process and known as Calvin cycle. Another name, dark reaction. This reaction proceeds in all green photosynthetic plants. It occurs in night, hence it is known as dark reaction. Another name, scientific name is Calvin cycle, in which 6 CO2 molecule converts into glucose in presence of ATP energy and a specific enzyme, that is Rubisco एंजाइम। देखो 10th स्टैंडर्ड पे इतना आपके लिए सफिशियंट है कि आप यहाँ एक ब्लॉक बनाएं 6 CO2 लिखें, यहाँ आप एक ब्लॉक बनाएं ग्लूकोज लिखें, चाहे तो उसका फार्मूला प्लॉट कर सकते हैं हम ATP एनर्जी के फॉर्म में। इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ATP a process occurs Calvin cycle through an enzyme that is Rubisco. Full name is Rubisco, is not essential to read at the 10th standard, but we should have to discuss Rubisco ribulose biphosphate oxygenase carboxylase enzyme. It is a very important enzyme for photosynthesis. Thus, in 3 steps photosynthesis get proceed. तो हम लास्ट में एक लाइन बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं कि जो है फोटोसिंथेसिस जो होती हैं वो 3 स्टेप में होती हैं। क्वेश्चन आएगा राइट डाउन द 3 इवेंट्स फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस, देन यू शुड हैव टू मेंशन द 3 इवेंट्स, देयर नेम्स एंड one line of the prescribed material, you will get it. Thank you.